My wonderful and amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. My name is MZ right here from my Kaban, Accra, Ghana. Oh my goodness. The sweetest, the most beautiful, oh my gosh, the most loved celebrity in town, Miss Royal Queen May. I just been endorsing. She's got another endorsement from Amiga Sanitary Pads. Oh my goodness. With Amiga Sanitary Pad, there is no stain and no leakage. Oh my God. Everybody's rushing to buy Amiga Sanitary Pad. I don't know what you are waiting for. Please call them. Their number is right below there. Go to Queen May's page. Call them and get yours. If you don't buy, there'll be no menstrual period for you that month. Please get one. Quick, quick, quick. Our Royal Queen May is still trending with the waiter. Have you gone to any cinema near you to watch the waiter movie? I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Come on, get up and go and watch. I'm just from the cinema right now and I'm watching. It was interesting. Oh my God, I just love it. Queen May, shine. Queen May, just shine for us. That's all I want. I just want you to be happy. I just want you to shine. The way I'm happy, I just want you also to be happy. Okay? Don't think about anybody. Just be happy. Leave those people. Leave those people. And shine. Be happy. Eat what you want to eat. Drink what you want to drink. Be happy. The other people. Hey, Queen May, shine. Queen May. Queen May, shine. Queen May, shine. I love Queen May and I want her to be happy. So Queen May, please shine, shine, shine. More endorsement for her. Companies, please reach out to her. Let her endorse for you. Anything Queen May touches, gosh, we go buy them. You don't go buy, you go buy. We go buy. I go buy them. Amiga Sanitary Pads is here to come to Ghana. I learned they're on their way coming. Oh. I'm sure they'll reach here this evening. I just they wait. Without Amiga Sanitary Pad, I no go have my menstrual period. Waiting be that one. Amiga, I'm waiting for you. No Amiga, no sanitary pad, and no menstruation. Amiga Sanitary Pad, we are waiting for you. Woto. Make you calm. Hey, Amiga, I don't know. Amiga, no. Queen May, shine. Queen May, shine. I love Queen May with all my heart. I don't know why. Me, if I love somebody, oh my gosh, with my heart and everything, I just love. If I hate you too, oh, I don't know if you're a human being or not. I don't want to have anything to do with you. That's how I am. Oh. Ha! Queen May, Queen May, Queen May, Choboy, Queen May, Choboy, Queen May, Choboy, Queen May. I love this girl. Queen May, shine. We love you so much. As for your ex-husband, he cannot rent again. His rent has expired. He cannot renew. So he's gone back to where? Enugu, his base. Let's not think about him. Queen May, continue and shine. Queen May, enjoy yourself. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye-bye.